Hello, friends. Welcome back to another session of Becoming an Azure Administrator. This session is all about management and hierarchy in Azure. Azure provides four levels of management, that is, management groups, subscriptions, resource groups, and resources. So, how this hierarchy works? Let's start with the bottom resources. These are the services which we create or deploy, like virtual machines, virtual networks, storage, and so on. Now, where are all these services created? These all services are created inside a resource group. So, what is a resource group? Resource groups are nothing but containers where you can deploy and manage your resources. You can have multiple resource groups. You can segregate your resources according to your needs within those resource groups. Coming to subscriptions, so all the resource groups are created inside the subscription. Users can have access to the subscriptions, and based on the type of access, they can manage or create the resources. Now, each subscription has limits, quotas on the amount of resources that it can create or use. Though, as per your need, the quota can also be increased. All the billing of the services used inside the subscription can be seen with the cost management and billing of that particular subscription. Organizations also segregate their subscriptions according to their need. For example, keeping one subscription for production and one subscription for staging. Lastly, coming to management groups, it helps you manage access, policy, and compliance for multiple subscriptions. All subscriptions in a management group automatically inherit the conditions that are applied to the management group. Now, let's move to the portal and see how this works. So here I am on the Azure portal. So if I go to all resources, we can see what all resources are deployed on this portal. So there is a virtual machine deployed with the name of DCVM. There's a public IP address deployed with the name of DCVM IP, and so on. The resources are here. Now, if you want to see what resource is deployed in what resource group, for example, the storage account. This is deployed in the resource group Cloud Shell Storage Central India. This virtual machine is deployed in the resource group Adi Testing. So on, the storage account is deployed in the resource group AVD Testing. So here we can see like resource, what type of resource, what resource group the resource is deployed in, and the location. For example, if I want to deploy any resource if we want to deploy, we need to have a resource group there. Either we can create a new resource group or we can select an existing one. Now, if I go to subscriptions, so here is the subscription of resources deployed inside these subscriptions, what type of resources are deployed. We can do cost analysis here. It's loading, might take some time. So we can do cost analysis here, how much cost has been consumed for the type of storage, for the type of virtual network, for the type of backup. We can set alerts based on the cost. So this is all guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in the next video.